Well, it's good seeing you again.
I don't believe in myself. I don't believe in myself.
I think you've been having some problems recently, okay?
Like, yeah, it's really hard to.
Yeah, I hear it. I hear it. It's okay. It's completely normal. All of us have negative thoughts and emotions and anxiety, so come on, girl, you know what I'm saying? But, if I can try my best to help you alleviate those thoughts, I will, so let me see what I can do.
Amazing,
I know last week we did something similar with removing your brain rots, but just look good. Okay. I don't like the way I look. I don't like that. Those dead ends.
Constantly comparing myself to other people. Constantly comparing myself to other people. Constantly having to compare myself to what other people are doing, and I think I'm not doing it. That's what I don't feel like I'm doing it. I feel like I'm constant word in my head. Sure. I was in a different place in my life. I wish I was in a different place. I wish I did more. I wish I did more for myself in my life. I wish I did more for myself in my life. I wish I did more for myself in my life. I'm in a different place. I wish I did more for myself in my life. I wish I did more. I did more for myself. It could have been much better for me, but I can do more than that.
Still near a few on this side. Let's go this side. Front of the side. Okay, we are at it now. So it's much better. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that you are relaxed. Before I give you the advice, scalp massage. started playing Sudoku. We're gonna play this together. I'm gonna whisper in your ear while we play this game together, okay? So, this is a sort of easy puzzle, but I also want to chat with you, chat. Usually I start in the first row here. And I always look for the smallest numbers. Number 1, I'm gonna try to see, like, can I go here, here, okay, here, no, okay, so we have a 2, or try to look at the box that's mostly filled. So out of this row, this one seems mostly filled. So I'm gonna look for ways I can try to solve it. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have a 5, but there is no 5 here, here. 6, we don't have a 6. There's no 6 here, oh here. 7, we need an 8, but there is an 8 here, and here, but there's none here. And we need a 9, and 9 can go here, but there's still 2 boxes, so I'll leave it alone. I also look in this direction, so there's only 1, 1, I skip it. Number 2, there's only 1, 2, I skip it. There are 3 3s, which means it's already done. There are 3 4s, no 5, no 6. There is a 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Now, I like to go in the direction that my eyes go into. So for me, this column here is drawing my attention. We are missing a 1. We know a 1 can't go here or here because there is a 1 here. So this entire box is crossed out. There's a 1 here, which means it can't go here. That would leave this to be 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. A 5 can't go here, but it can go here and here, so we skip it. 6. Can go here, here, here. 7, 8, 9. 9 can go here, here, here. Skip it. Okay, so we have 2 1s now. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Eventually I'll stop talking. But there are 2 1s. This 1 cancels out this side. This 1 is already here, but there's numbers here, so I can't go there. I have a 1 here and here, which means this box needs a 1. But that crosses out, but it can go here or here, so we don't know. Let's see where else my eyes gravitate to. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 doesn't go here. Here. 6. 7, 8. 8 does not go here. Go here. So this has to be 8. And 9. And 9 can't go here. So this has to be a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. Can go here and here. We don't know yet. But now we have a 9 and an 8. A 9 and an 8. So while I continue playing, I do want to talk give you some advice if you are feeling overwhelmed or anxious during these times. I'm not gonna lie, I also have been feeling very anxious about the future for the past week, and that is something I have struggled with honestly my whole life, but for the past week, yeah, it's been amplified. And I feel like a lot of us may feel similar. So, besides playing Sudoku, I do try to, do things to make myself feel better. And one second, let me focus. I can't do 2 things at once. I have to really okay. Three. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. this one's harder than the ones I be doing. But I try not to, like, feeling a certain way is normal because you're a human. You're a human, but it gets a little dangerous when you allow worry and fear to kind of control you in a way, or for it to stop you from doing things in your life. Trust me, it's not easy, especially if you're young and it's the first time you're going through something. It can take a lot longer to truly, like, feel better, you know. But sorry guys, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. That means that 7 goes here, here. This is a 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's actually really healthy to let yourself feel the emotion fully, to cry, to scream, and to, like, feel the emotion and don't suppress it, because it's normal, like you're a human. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5. It has to be 5, which means 2 has to be 2. 6 has to be okay, 1, 1, 2, 1, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9. 5, 5, 5, 5. 4. You know what? Let me do this method. I usually, when I get stuck, I do this. I look for the missing number and I write it down. So 5 and a 9. A 5, 9, 5, 9. So I can remember. And this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a 1, 2, 6 can go there. 1, 6. And a 1, 2, 6. I believe. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 5, 6. 5, 6, 6. And this one is, I'm missing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 5, 9. So I know a 1 can go here, a 5 and a 9. A 1, a 5 and a 9. A 1 can't go there, but a 5 and, oh, not a 9. So this has to be 5. Cross those 5s out. So 1, what's missing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes there. And we are missing a 1 and a 9 in this box, but we don't have it yet. So 5, I can't go here. 4, 7, see this 1 is a 1. And 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. And 1 can go there, so this has to be the 5, and this has to be 9, and this has to be 5. So this has to be 1. And
and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alrighty. That's 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. 2, 7, 9. So a 7 can't go here, but a 2 and a 9 can. A 2 doesn't go there, but a 7 and a 9 can go here. A 2 can go here, and a 7 can go here, but not a 9. Okay. That's when we have a 1 that's missing. A 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 1, 2, 6. So a 1 or 2 can go here, so this has to be 6. That has to be 6, which means the 6 gets crossed out. And a 2 is here, which means this is 1 and this is 2. Which means this 2 gets crossed out. This 2, which makes this 1 a 9. Okay. Cross that out. Let's see. So now we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 goes here. 5, 6, 7, 8. And this has to be 6. Which means this is a 5. And this is a 6. Which means we are missing a 1 in this row and a 9. 9 can't go here, so this has to be the 9. This has to be the 1. Which makes this a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Let's work our way up. 9, so this has to be 1, and this has to be the 9. And cross it out. Which makes this a 2. A 1 can't go here. A 1 can't go here, but it can go here or here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 can't go here, but it can go in 3. 7. A 7 can't go here or here. 8 can't go here, so this has to be 8 and a 9. Okay. And 1. Okay. Looks like I'm missing. Oh, here we go. So there's a 9 here, which means this has to be 7, and this has to be a 2. Which means that gets crossed out, if you can see it. That's a 2 and a 7. Let's see. 1. Can't find that just yet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8, 9. You can't find it because we have missing pieces here. So, let's see. We have a 7 and a 7. So 7, 7. This has to be a 7. Which means that a 1 or a 6 has to go here or here. Okay. So we also have 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. We have no 6s up here. No 6 here, 6 here. Okay. Why do I feel like I'm missing? Like I'm overlooking something, probably. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. So I'm looking for a 6, 8, 8, which means this is 6, this is 1, and this is 8, which makes this a 9. Okay, cross that one out. And this is a 6, which makes this the 1 and this the 6. And that's it. It took me a while, but it was fun though. You see how that can just make you focus, help you relax, help you just like do one thing at a time. I just want to let you know that you
are worthy. You are worthy. You are worthy. And I'm sending you a lot of love and light your way, okay? Love and light, love and light, love and light. I wish you the best, and I hope this little trimming